What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to show y'all all the interior mods that I've done so far. It's just a little update from the last video I made. Alright, so I'm going to get started here with my favorite mod, carbon fiber steering wheel. This was from Carbon Bargain. Let me go ahead and turn on the... Don't want you to fall like it. Alright, so yep, so this is the steering wheel. Also ended up getting this Sync 3 system. This was a base model card. It came with the little 4-inch screen, which was horrible. But I ended up upgrading to this. It has the Apple CarPlay. And yep, it's the 8-inch screen, OEM. Yep, so I installed that, and they also installed the carbon fiber trimming around it, and also the carbon fiber here on the center console, and also on the dash, and also here on the door handle, and here too, and on this side as well, driver's side door. This is a base model car, so it didn't come with the foot lighting, but I went ahead and added this little LED strips from Amazon. They look pretty good. So yep, and also went ahead and bought this dash cam. And I also upgraded all the interior lights. They're all LED. And that is from Diode Dynamics. And the carbon fiber, all this carbon fiber is from Dyna Performance. What else? I also did upgrade my speakers. Oh, it's so loud. Yeah, I also did upgrade my speakers. So the doors, and also the rears, the ones in the rear. And I also went ahead and added a let me go open the trunk. Yep, so I also went ahead and added a subwoofer. And I also upgraded the speakers. And there's the amp right there. So yep, it sounds pretty good. Got it from a local dealer here, called D-Tronics here in South Texas. But yeah, that's about it on the interior mods. I'll probably do a video showing my performance mods and also my my exterior mods on a separate video. So yeah, I'll probably do that and then go ahead and upload that. So here's another look at the interior. Turn on this little light here. Got that carbon fiber, looks good.